Dan Herrera doing a little video. See if I can move my little camera out of here. I think this works. So if we go over here, you go to Toolkit, you can see your notes. I'm going to type notes. These are the greatest notes ever. Go to the next question. You need to highlight. You can highlight. You can see. Go back to Toolkit. You can always see tools. If you want a different color highlighter, we can do more than one color. This is an example of fill in the blank. As you can see, these aren't filled in, so they're blank. So I'm going to choose A. If you see it crossed out, you've done something wrong. If you click this, not good. This is what you want right there. Clicking the I crosses out that you will not get credit for the answer. I'm going to click finish, return to exam because I haven't completed all my answers. I'm going to say close anyway. I'm going to confirm exam completed. Preparing my answer. We are done.